Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we're doing a project and I was originally going to call it the Titan project, but it's called a Mozart, so I couldn't really use that, so I'm going to have to call it Project Titan TX because it's a TX and it's massive. It's a big computer case. It can actually hold two PCs inside easily, and I got it down from out of my rooms upstairs, and I thought I want to see if it's actually going to run or not. It was my first ever water cooled, and it's fully water cooled, all set for the I say fully, it's all set for the hard drives, but everything else, you know, the motherboard, so you've got the MOSFETs, your North Bridge, South Bridge, the processor, they're all water cooled. Two graphics cards, they're water cooled. Got two radiators in there. I'll tell you what I'll do a quick tour, I'll show you around, and then once we've done the tour, I'll see if she start up, or whether it just go whoosh, or trip out all my electrics, or whatever. So I haven't cleaned it out on the inside, and the reason I ain't done that, because if it's not going to run, there's no point in me trying to clean it out. There's no hard drives in there. I just basically want to see if the pumps all start up, or the pump, if the pump's going to run, and if the motherboard's going to power up. And then I'll think about putting a hard drive on it just to see if it will boot up. Okay, so with that, I'll do a quick tour of it. There we go then. Like I said, it's called a Mozart TX, as you can see. So you've got a water reservoir there, DVD player. This is the left hand side. Just undo the doors. Now in here you have the power supply, which is that baby there, and then down the bottom is your water pump. Back in the days, 10 years plus, there was two options on water pipes. The UK we had 10mm, America had 1/2 inch. I preferred the American ones. They've got a lot better now, they're smaller than this now, so they're a lot better. There's two radiators sitting in there. So that's that side. Shut doors, and in this side it's the main bit. There you go. So like I said, I haven't cleaned it out because there's no point in me cleaning it out. I was going to strip it down, as you can see. I've sort of started, so, but I decided I'll see if it power up. So it's two graphics cards in SLI mode, as you can see. Oh, the RAM's not water cooled neither. So you've got the processor, you've got the two bridges, North Bridge and the South Bridge, they're both water cooled, and also the MOSFETs, which are over there somewhere. Can't see them, but they are there, trust me. So yeah, like I said, it's very dirty, spiders' webs all over the place. So it'd be interesting to see if it'll actually run. If it does, I can plug in a hard drive. I'm not going to plug one in yet, so I'll shut her back up and we'll see if she runs. Most of my parts are from EVGA. Like I said, I made it over 10 years ago, and I had to wait for the motherboard to be made when I actually bought the processor and that, because the motherboard that turned up, we found out, me and EVGA found out the actual motherboard was not compatible with the new processors, even though they thought it was at the time when I bought it. So I had to send that one back, and they sent me a replacement, but it took an extra 3 months because they had to make it. It's just one of those things. So here we go. Quite nervous actually. Oh, did I turn it on? There she's on, and I think she's dead. Shall we try it again? Oh, it works. Oh my God. I can't believe it. It's actually working. And I'll show you. Can you hear that? Fans are going. So the case up. This is unreal. I really didn't think this would work. So as you can see, the fans are spinning. That one now, which is not even bolted down. Them now. There's water running around. Look at the dust on that thing. Wow, that's impressive. So Who's the man? I'm going to have to do it again just to see if it's just pure luck. There she goes. Bit of a kink now. Oh, there's quite a bit of a kink there actually. That's not good. Let's try and sort that out. Heat her up or something. But yeah, obviously EVGA make very good components. Like I say, the EVGA is the motherboard and the two graphics cards are both EVGA. Right, so for our next test, we need to plug it into a monitor. I'll put in a new hard drive, well not a new hard drive, I'll put in an old hard drive. So I'm going to plug in that monitor into this and power it up, see what happens. We know it works. Let's see if we get anything. No keyboard plugged in or mouse yet. Come on, baby. Well, looks like that's a failure. So I've cleared CMOS on the motherboard. Have power, network, keyboard and mouse plugged in. Let's see if she runs. Come on, baby. Got a beep. So it powers up, but I'm getting error 95. So there's nothing coming up on there. So what I'm going to do is unplug the battery, leave it out for an hour, and then try it again. So that's the end of this video for now. So if you want to see more of this, let me know. Post it in the comments, please. If you're bored of this, then I'll scrap the plan and not do any more. But that's it for now. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.